A cucumber and a zucchini can look almost identical. Both are long, usually green, and filled with pale flesh and seeds. Put them next to each other in a grocery store, and it is easy to mistake one for the other. But cucumber and zucchini are not the same vegetable. In fact, once you look at how they grow, how they taste, and what happens when you cook them, the differences become surprisingly clear. Both belong to the large gourd family called Cucurbitaceae, which also includes pumpkins, melons, and squash. But they come from different branches of that family. The cucumber belongs to the species Cucumis sativus. Zucchini, on the other hand, is a type of summer squash belonging to Cucurbita pepo, the same species that includes several other squash varieties. So even though they may look like close relatives, botanically they are quite different. One of the easiest ways to tell them apart is by looking at the skin. Cucumbers often have darker green skin that may feel slightly bumpy, waxy, or rough depending on the variety. Some cucumbers even have tiny prickly structures when freshly harvested. Zucchini usually has smoother skin. It can be dark green, light green, striped, or even yellow depending on the variety. But the biggest difference becomes obvious when you cut them open. Slice through a cucumber and you will usually find a very watery, crisp interior. Its center contains soft seeds surrounded by moist flesh. That high water content is one reason cucumbers feel so refreshing. Zucchini has a noticeably different texture. Its flesh is generally firmer and denser, with less of that juicy crunch associated with cucumber. Young zucchini also contains soft seeds, but the interior tends to feel more solid. And that difference completely changes how we use them in food. Cucumbers are commonly eaten raw. They are sliced into salads, added to sandwiches, mixed into yogurt dishes, infused into water, and turned into pickles. Their crisp texture and fresh taste work especially well when they are uncooked. Zucchini is much more commonly cooked. You can grill it, roast it, sauté it, bake it, add it to soups, or spiralize it into noodle-like strands. When heated, zucchini becomes tender and slightly sweet. Now imagine trying the same thing with cucumber. You actually can cook cucumber, and some cuisines do, but because it contains so much water, heating it produces a very different texture. It can soften quickly and release moisture. And eating zucchini raw is also possible, especially when it is young and tender. So the rule isn't simply cucumber is raw and zucchini is cooked. It is more about which preparation best matches their natural textures. There is another interesting difference before these foods even reach your kitchen. Look at the plants themselves. Cucumber plants usually grow as vines that spread along the ground or climb supports using curling tendrils. Zucchini plants generally grow in a more compact bush-like form, with large leaves spreading outward from the center. And zucchini has another surprise. The large yellow-orange flowers growing on zucchini plants are edible. Known as squash blossoms, they can be stuffed, fried, or used in other dishes. But here is where things get even more interesting. We casually call both cucumber and zucchini vegetables. Botanically, however, both are actually fruits. Because a botanical fruit develops from the flower of a plant and contains seeds. Both cucumber and zucchini fit that definition. In cooking, we treat them as vegetables because they are usually used in savory dishes rather than sweet ones. There are nutritional differences too, although both are relatively low-calorie foods. Cucumber is mostly water, making it especially light and refreshing. Zucchini also contains plenty of water, but provides useful nutrients including vitamin C, potassium, and carotenoids, with amounts varying depending on the variety and preparation. So if you ever see these two sitting beside each other, remember this simple trick. Cucumber is usually crisper, wetter, and commonly eaten raw. Zucchini is usually firmer, smoother, and commonly cooked. They may look like two versions of the same food, but they come from different plant groups, grow differently, feel different when you bite them, and behave very differently in the kitchen. And perhaps the strangest part is that the two green vegetables you thought you were comparing are botanically fruits. So next time you see a cucumber and zucchini side by side, you probably won't confuse them again.